Mussels Dijonnaise, a French dish using Dijon mustard and cream, which both pair perfectly well with this mollusk. Essentially, we'll be creating a sauce that our mussels can braise in rather than simply tossing them in simmering white wine and waiting for them to open. It's a super simple dish that packs a ton of flavor. So without further introduction, let's begin by making our braising liquid. In a charged sauté pan on high heat, we'll add in some olive oil, then turn the heat to medium and add in 1 brunoise shallot, along with 1 minced clove of garlic. I'll sweat our alliums until they become translucent. Then add a pinch of salt, followed by some black pepper. Next, I'll pour in 1/4 of a cup of white wine and bring this to a simmer until reduced by about half. We'll toss in a couple knobs of cold butter to emulsify. Then add in a tablespoon of Dijon mustard and whisk that in. Followed by 1/4 of a cup of light cream. I'll then squeeze in a wedge of lemon and whisk to combine. Now that we have our lovely sauce, we'll add our mussels and gently stir until coated. I'll bring this to a simmer and cover to cook for roughly 1 to 2 minutes until the mussels begin to open up. We'll then check to see if all of them have opened, and if they have, then we'll stir in some chopped parsley. I'll add the mussels to a shallow bowl. Then top with our mustard and cream sauce. I'll squeeze another wedge of lemon juice over top. And there's our beautiful mussels dish, perfect for the summer or winter months. So, there's our simple and tasty mussels dish. Remember to explore different flavor combinations. For example, rather than adding parsley, use dill. Instead of Dijon, use tomato paste and chili peppers. As a cook, your job is to push the boundaries while staying inside of what makes sense. In the next lesson, we'll be exploring a technique that every cook must know, and we'll be using oysters as the star of the show. Catch you there.